And you've probably already seen the automatic watering bowls for cats and dogs. Well, the deer behind my house, when it dries up, they have no access to water. So I'm going to make a automatic gravity fed watering tub. I paid $15 for the tub. I paid $2.99 for the 5-gallon bucket. Paid like $8 for this lid. We'll use this cordless drill with this step bit, and we'll go ahead and drill a hole in the tub. I'll put a hole right here. I purchased this float, and I want to put this float right through this hole right here. I want to tighten it down. What I'll do with this grommet is I'll line it up to get it close to the bottom, but not so close that it's not going to seal. I'll take my bit, put it in there, and just make a mark on the bucket. All the way through, and the grommet should fit right in there. Okay, got it in there. I could have went a little lower. Now they got the copper pipe in here. I purchased this. I'm going to slide it on there and lock it down. Now, as you can see, the elbow inside there, copper pipe on the outside. With this locked down, it shouldn't leak. And there's not going to be any pressure on this. Now I'll go ahead and hook the other end of this line up into this float valve here. Get it good and tight so it don't leak. Now let's go test it. Okay, here it is. I put the pipe through the grommet with a little help from Dawn dishwashing detergent. I put a 90-degree elbow on the end of the pipe so that it would get the water from the bottom. I got my bucket full of water. Now with this lid, I have to drill a small hole in the center just for air to get in so the water can escape. Okay, now as you can see, there's the air hole. Now when I turn that valve on, the water should pour right on through here and fill this container up. But before I do that, I'm going to adjust this ball down a little bit so that it starts floating up. So it has to be that high before the water stops. I'm going to turn this on. And the way it's running, it looks like it's going to take a little while to fill it up, so I'll fast forward. Now once it gets up to water level, this will shut the water off. And as the animals and deer drink the water, it'll go down and the water will come back on and fill it back up. It'll slowly filling up. This valve is probably made for a pressure system, but it will still give water to the deer and the other animals. It'll do it slowly, but it'll still do it. It hasn't got much farther to fill. It's getting really close to the shut-off point. Okay, now I'll go ahead and set it out, and later on, if it works out well, I'll go ahead and replace the 5-gallon bucket with a 55-gallon drum. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.